Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about a revolutionary product that promises to solve a common problem that affects many people: nail fungus and inflammation. Introducing Keravita Pro, a powerful formula that has been gaining attention for its incredible results. Let's understand how this product works and explore its key benefits. Inspired by Vietnamese rice workers, who, despite the fact that they stay with their hands and feet in muddy waters even 12 hours every day and have great skin, this exotic supplement is designed to support healthy skin and nails. Before we delve into Keravita Pro, it's essential to understand the main causes of these bothersome issues. Factors such as wearing closed-toe shoes frequently, being in humid environments, exposure to contaminated areas, and even genetic predisposition can contribute to the development of nail fungus. These microorganisms thrive in conducive environments, and when left untreated, they can cause smelly feet, painful inflammation, nail deformities, and, in severe cases, spread to other parts of the body. Keravita Pro stands out for its unique approach in combating nail fungus and inflammation. Its advanced and natural formula is carefully crafted to eliminate the fungi causing the problem, while simultaneously restoring nail health and bolstering the immune system to prevent future infections. Effective elimination of fungi. Its potent formula directly targets the infection sites, eradicating fungi and preventing further spreading. Reduction of inflammation. The product possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help alleviate pain and discomfort caused by infections. Nail restoration. Keravita Pro fosters the growth of healthier and more beautiful nails, restoring their natural appearance. Immune system reinforcement. The product not only treats the symptoms, but also strengthens the immune system, making it more resistant to infections. Natural and safe formula. Keravita Pro is made from natural ingredients, making it safe for use without harmful side effects. It's important to note that the response to treatment may vary from person to person, depending on the severity of the infection. However, many users report visible results within a few weeks of consistent use of Keravita Pro. The key to obtaining the best results is following the recommended usage instructions provided by the manufacturer. If you suffer from nail fungus, smelly feet, and inflammation, and are seeking an effective and safe solution, Keravita Pro could be the answer you've been looking for. Its natural formula, FDA approved, combined with its numerous benefits, makes it a promising option to recover the health of your nails and put an end to this inconvenience once and for all. The official link to purchase your Keravita Pro is in the description. Click for more information. And if you don't like for any reason, the manufacturer gives you 60-day money-back guarantee. Share this video with others who may also benefit from this breakthrough. Thanks for watching Click and Solution. Until next time.